Janet Rust by Gucci, and it is a beautiful burnt orange colour that is perfect for winter and autumn. It's autumn currently in Australia, and it launched just this month, the 4th of May or the 5th of May perhaps, and it arrived very quickly within 2 business days for me. I am in a regional town at the moment, so it took a little while, but the packaging, everything, it just looks so beautiful, and the formula is so satiny and smooth. It's very hydrating. I don't feel like it's going to dry me out at all, and I am in love with the colour. So there you have it. Enjoy, go get yourself one. It's really nice. See you guys.